Your team needs someone, right? They're going to follow someone who's hungry and determined. What does that mean? You know where you want to go and you really have a hunger for it. That doesn't mean getting to the end of the day without killing somebody, getting to the end of the week or the month and being able to make payroll or pay your bills. That is not hunger, that's survival. Hunger is where you see the potential and you want it. No matter what's going to happen. I love those three words, no matter what. That's the determination. I'm going to achieve this no matter what. We are going to achieve this no matter what. That hunger and that determination is rocket fuel for your team. When they see your level of commitment, that is when they're really going to say, wow, this really means something.